Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to layer video tracks in DaVinci Resolve, step by step. Whether you're looking to create picture-in-picture effects, overlays, or blend multiple videos together, layering is an essential skill to master. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more detailed tutorials just like this one. Step 1. Let's start with the basics. To layer one video on top of another, simply drag your second video clip and drop it directly above the first clip on the timeline. DaVinci Resolve will automatically create a new track for the second video. Step 2. If you want to add more control and manage multiple tracks, here's how to do it. Right-click anywhere in the empty area of your timeline and select Add Track. This will create a new video track where you can layer your clips. If you need multiple tracks at once, right-click again and choose Add Tracks. Then specify the number of tracks you want to add. Drag your clips to the newly created tracks and they'll be layered accordingly. Step 3. Once your clips are layered, you can adjust their position, scale, and opacity using the inspector panel. This gives you the freedom to customize the way your layers interact. And that's it. Layering video tracks in DaVinci Resolve is that simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.